Oh, hi guys. Mwah. Hey guys, it's Aidette. Today we're doing a birthday haul. I got the cutest gifts this year, guys. Last year, I didn't even post my birthday haul. Wait. Oh my gosh. Wait, I'm actually really sad. But I'm gonna insert a picture because I took a picture of like a lot of the things that I got here. These are all the things my mom got me last year. It was so cute. This is gonna be a pretty quick haul, but I'm so grateful for everything that I got. I got things from my mom, my sister, my girlfriend, my friends. I'm gonna start off with the things that my sister gave me. The first thing she gave me was this bag. It says older, wiser, weirder. Did I mention older? The reason why I think this is funny is because her friend gave her this bag for her birthday, and then she literally said, oh, I just recycled it, I reused it. And I was like, period, because that's so something that I would do. She got me the cutest things. I love when my sister gets me things because I just feel like she knows me so well. First thing she got me was, of course, Hello Kitty X Monchichi plushie. Like, it doesn't get cuter than this. Ah! She got me a SpongeBob blind box. I got the one that I freaking wanted. This is the one that goes, my drink, my diet Dr. Kelp. How am I supposed to eat this pizza without my drink? He's also the chocolate guy. You guys know that I hate the color purple, but honestly, this is an exception because he's like the coolest guy. Then she got me a hair clip. So cute. This is a My Melody clip, and it's so cute because I actually have a Hello Kitty clip, so this is gonna go into my collection. Now I officially want every other clip. Oh my gosh, that'd be so cute on my vanity, like having something hanging on the side of my vanity and just having all of them clipped. Easy access, how cute. His name is Dazed Fish. I also get like a little license thing for him. That was my sister's gift. So cute, 10 out of 10. Moving on to my mom's gift. Oh my gosh, wait, she recycled a bag too. How cute. My mom always gives me the best gifts. Like, everyone always gives me amazing gifts. My mom's, I don't know, just hits like extra hard. I love her gifts. Every year she's like, what should I even get you, because you have literally everything. And it's true, like I feel like I don't really need anything else. But she got me essentials, and I told her, I was like, just if you want to get me something, get me stuff that I'll actually use. And she always does, but you know, she always just still asks. I love body wash, and I love Yummy scented body wash. This is like a strawberry and cream scented one. I'm gonna smell it again. So good. Oh my gosh, that's like the perfect scent. But you know when some strawberry scents smell too like artificial and it's like, okay, I'm gonna get a headache? Not that one. I like the ones that are mixed with like strawberry and cream, because just straight strawberry, it smells too fake. And I always complain about my chin hairs. Chin hairs grow faster than the hairs on my head. She got me these Hello Kitty little mustache shavers. So cute. She like found everything perfectly, and I always am wearing pimple patches, so she got me some little clear heart ones. I go through pimple patches so crazy, like too crazy. She got me a little gift card. She always writes the cutest note in the back. These gifts are from my mom and my dad together. But fun fact, I always keep the little note. I never throw it away. And since I'm obsessed with hand sanitizer, of course she got me 2 hand sanitizers. I think that's why I love my sister and my mom's gifts like the best and the most, because they just know me the best. And it's crazy, it's like my mom read my mind for like everything that I needed, because I needed a body scrub, and look how cute. It's like pink and sparkly. This one smells really good. It's supposed to be cotton candy, but it smells more like fruit and cream. So I needed a body scrub like bad. I'm about to like scrub off this tan and then put a new one on. And my parents also got me, look how cute the bag is. I have like this weird obsession where I save my birthday bags, use it until like they're falling apart, and then I throw it away. I think I just have like an emotional connection to it. But this bag is so cute, like I just don't want to throw it away. I'll cry. They got me a Hello Kitty towel, like beach set. I love tanning. This is the beach towel, and then I'm not gonna open this up, but this is like one of those heavy duty beach mats. Now for what my girlfriend got me. So she made me a video compiled with everyone that I love. She surprised me so well. She caught me off guard, and I started like sobbing and crying, and I haven't stopped thinking about it. But literally like everyone in my family, like all of my best friends, literally everyone that I love sent in a video and like told me happy birthday and how much they love me. So cute. I don't know how she's gonna outdo herself next year. I really don't. She also got me a Coach bag. Look how cute she is. Little Coach bag. So cute. On top of both of those gifts, she also got me these shirts and also a trip to Texas. I love girls and it's all sparkly. Also, my brother is gonna take me on a shopping spree. He was like, do you want me to just like take you shopping? He just wanted to get me something that like he knows I would actually like. Oh, my best friend Allie, she's still going to give me my gift in like a few days, but she did show me a sneak peek and she made me like a whole magazine about myself. My best friend is better than yours. And also my cousin Cindy said that she offered to buy my flight to go see her in Miami. Like, I really have the bestest friends, guys. And also my girlfriend made me a bouquet of 250 roses, like by hand, like a bouquet. I'm gonna put a picture right here. Like, are you serious? Lastly, this gift is from my nail tech. Like, she came to do my nails and brought me a whole gift. My nail tech is NKM Acrylics. On Instagram, you guys need to go get a set done because look, this is my holographic Hello Kitty birthday set. We always do Hello Kitty for my birthday. It's just tradition, but they're gorgeous. I love them. She always kills it. If you guys are in the LA area or the IE area, she does travel. But yeah, she's based in the IE. I got so emotional. I seriously teared up when she gave me this because I met her from her doing my nails 2 years ago, but this is my 3rd birthday with her doing my nails. People can come into your life for like one reason, like for example nails, and they actually become your friend and they get to know you, which yes, I need because I'm big on recycling. This will help because I hate even like getting plastic bags anymore. So this is gonna come in handy for my groceries. But I also love a good tote bag. Then she got me Hello Kitty socks. How cute. Oh wait, these are all like different Sanrio socks. Hello Kitty. I actually don't know what this one's name is. Wow, that's so fake of me. Cinema roll, Hello Kitty bows, and my melody. How cute. And then she got me pajamas in my actual size. She was like, I hope they fit you. And I'm like, girl, I looked at the size and I was like, yeah, they're gonna fit me. Like, she even knows me down to my size. That's insane. Little top. Like, this is so me. She got me a little journal, and how cute, because I've been needing a journal. She was like, I was gonna get you a planner, but then also I was like, oh, maybe she would need like a journal. So I was like, this is really cute because I actually needed both. I was actually looking into buying a planner because I needed a new one like the other day, but I could still use this as a planner. Obviously just manually write in it. Lastly, she got me a SpongeBob cup. A SpongeBob cup? Are you serious? Like, this is iconic. And of course, a little mini basket. I'm gonna definitely use that in my bathroom to organize. That's it for my birthday haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and thank you to every single one of you that's special to my heart that got me birthday gifts. You guys know that it means the world to me. What means the most is the fact that you put all these things together that you feel make up me. I think one of my top love languages is feeling seen, and not in like a weird way, but like when I do receive gifts and I can tell that you just know me through the gifts that you got me. All right guys, love you so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video.